you are looking at a very rare truck. 2004 F-150 Crew Cab FX4 screaming yellow, one owner 4x4 with 33,000 original miles. Yes, 33,000 miles. Not only does this vehicle have 33,000 miles, but is one of only 1,000 made. Super rare truck. One owner, all original, no accidents, 4x4, FX4, screaming yellow paint with 33,000 miles. Tow package. There's the bed. Running boards. Upgraded FX4 wheels. Leather interior. Fog lights. Super sharp truck. Flawless. For a 2004, unbelievable condition. Back seats never have been sat in. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Tow package. Power seats. All-weather floor mats. Leather seats. In amazing condition. $33,329 miles at the time of this video. Yes, 33,000 original miles on an 04 Ford F-150 4x4 FX4. (2004) Ford F-150 Crew Cab FX4 screaming yellow. Very rare car. 33,000 miles. One owner in like new condition. Collector's item.